These lipsticks are €3.95 and I will swatch them for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have my top 5 favorite products under €5. This was a little bit hard to make because €5 is kind of a short budget, but there are some very good findings. And also, if you are wondering what the hell was I thinking, then just subscribe down below. This will be up on my channel soon. So yeah, if you want to know what 5 products I have to recommend you, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I think I will do this from like the cheapest product to the most expensive, but come on, it's €5. So the first product that I have has got the letters a little bit rubbed off, but is this liquid eyeliner from Primark. Like you can see, it's only €1.50, and as it is from Primark, I think I probably won't be able to link it down below. But this one I've got for quite some time, and the last time I went to Primark I've still seen this on the store, so I think they will probably have this like in their regular collection, I think. And this is the eyeliner that I am wearing, so you can see how this one wears. For €1.50, this is a very black eyeliner. It's a matte liner and it's also very durable. The only thing I have an issue with is that mine actually came with like a hair on the loose. I think you'll be able to see it. But yeah, I think that apart from that little loose hair, this is a very good product, and €1.50 is awesome price. Then another one of my must-have products is the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. Now this one, I think they have 2 colors, and this one is in the shade Brownie Brows, which is a very nice dark brown color. It also has some little fibers, but it's mostly a colored gel. And I think people will say this is kind of a dupe for a Benefit product. I'm not very sure which one it is, but this is very good, and it is $2.99. So I think that when this one is finished, I will probably most definitely repurchase it. Then I have some lipsticks, and these are all the same, just different shades, so I thought I would show you. And I actually have some new ones, and these are the Smart Fusion lipstick from Kiko. Now these lipsticks are €3.95 and I will swatch them for you. So I already had 3 shades, and on their Black Friday sale I picked up another 2. So I have the shade 434, that is kind of a brownie color. And these are not very long wearing, but these are very creamy lipsticks. I have the shade 411, that is kind of a coral shade. Then I have this bright pink that is in the shade 423. It's kind of this magenta pink. And then I have these 2 new ones that I had here, just kind of in the packaging to show you. I got kind of a more lighter nude color, a lighter version than this, that is in the shade 404. And you can kind of see it there. It's a very nude color, and I think it's very pretty. And then finally I got another one that is in the shade 422, that is kind of a reddish pink. I'll swatch it here. So yeah, I think it's probably a color between those two. And yeah, as you can see, these lipsticks, they have a very good color payoff, and they're very affordable. Again, €3.95. It's very cheap, and yeah, I think these look very good. Kind of an everyday lipstick. Then another favorite product under €5, just like for 1 cent, is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I have 2 shades of these. So this is a very good concealer for €4.99, and I have 2 shades. I have the shade C4, which is kind of a more pink undertone concealer. It's got a very big doe foot, and this has a very good coverage. Then I have this one in the shade C6, that is a more yellow undertone. And I really like these. I feel like they don't crease too much, and they have a very good coverage. They're also very good to kind of use as an eyeshadow base or to cut the crease. And yeah, these are very affordable. And then for my final top 5 products under €5, I have an eyeshadow palette, which, I mean, for €5 is amazing. That is this one from Revolution. Revolution has really great eyeshadows for a very affordable price. This is merely an example. This is the Iconic Division palette. So this palette is very good, and they have a lot of palettes similar to this for the same price. This is also $4.99, and I have recently done a video on Instagram using this. I've never done an Instagram video before, and these shadows are very pigmented. Let me swatch some for you. So I really like this dark color, and this one is also very nice. This coppery shade is very good, and this kind of white pink iridescent color is also very good. So you can see them here. And as you can see, they are very pigmented, and also there's a lot of looks that you can do with this one. I think that these colors are very nice for the fall, and I would really like to buy also the, I think it's called Velvet Rose. And yeah, these are also kind of dupe palettes. So this one is a dupe for the Anastasia Subculture palette. The other one, the Velvet Rose, I think it's a dupe for the Soft Glam palette. So yeah, a very good dupe for €4.99. So yeah, these are my favorite 5 products under €5. And yeah, apart from the eyeliner from Primark, I will leave everything linked in the description box, and also in the description box you can find my Instagram and my Twitter, so go follow me on there if you haven't already. Also, I am thinking about doing kind of the same thing for my top 10 favorite products under €10. So if you like to see that, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe in the button down below. It would help me a lot. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!